Understanding the phrase, go on tilt. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, the hub for all who love to learn and refine their English. Today, we have a fascinating phrase to explore. Go on tilt. This expression has an interesting origin and usage, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's dive in and get you fluent in another piece of English lingo. The phrase, go on tilt, is a metaphorical expression that comes from the world of poker. In poker, a player who is on tilt is reacting to a bad beat or a series of losses with emotional frustration and is continuing to play with a compromised strategy. Essentially, they've lost their emotional equilibrium. But it's not just for poker anymore. In everyday language, when someone says they're going on tilt, they mean that they are becoming emotionally overwhelmed and are starting to make poor decisions as a result. It's like saying someone is so upset or frustrated that it's affecting their ability to think clearly and act rationally. Understanding the origin of the phrase can help us use it correctly. The term tilt originally comes from pinball machines. These machines would flash the word tilt when they were tampered with, especially when tilted too much to alter the ball's movement. If a player tilted the machine, they often lost the game as a penalty. From the pinball machines, the term was borrowed by poker players to describe a player who was upset and not in the right state of mind, metaphorically tilting the game. And now, it's part of general English slang. Let's look at how go on tilt can fit into our everyday language. 1. After losing the contract he worked so hard on, Mike was really going on tilt and couldn't focus on his other projects. 2. You shouldn't make investment decisions when you're on tilt. That's how you end up making losses. 3. It's important not to go on tilt during exams. Staying calm is crucial. Each of these examples showcases someone in a state of emotional frustration affecting their performance or decision-making process. It's important to know when it's appropriate to use this phrase. Go on tilt is informal and best used in casual conversation or in contexts where you are describing someone's emotional state metaphorically. It's not typically used in formal writing or situations. And that's a wrap on the phrase, go on tilt. Remember, language learning is all about understanding the nuances and subtleties that make it so rich and expressive. We hope this video has shed light on this interesting expression and you feel confident using it in your next conversation. Until next time, keep learning and never go on tilt with your English adventures. Goodbye for now.